Now we're going to define the organizational breakdown structure. Simply we will go to the enterprise, and here we will go OBS. Now we are going to define the OBS as per the requirement of any company. For example, we are using a company name XCPM, or any company XYZ, whose the main top person is the MD or CEO. So we will define here like MD CPM. This is the top hierarchy of the any company. And in this company, for example, they are doing three different businesses like manufacturing, plant construction, and building construction. So their GMs are responsible for their business sector. So we will add these three obvious structure under the organization breakdown structure of MD. You can type GM manufacturing, then you will write GM plant construction, and then again press add button, GM building construction. Now for example, we want to subdivide this building construction section into further hierarchy. uh, if there is a PM under the GM, so we will simply use this navigation button to the right side, and I will write here PM building construction projects. Now under the PM, for example, there are different managers like engineering manager, procurement manager, or construction manager. I will define like this. Now, under the construction manager, you can have the different type of construction managers, like civil discipline, civil manager. You can define the construction manager obvious into different disciplines, CMs, construction manager. Simply clicking add button and using these navigation keys, you can define these obvious. Now I have defined the OBS according to the organization's requirement. I have used this add button for adding a new OBS, and use this delete button for deleting any OBS if you have defined wrong. You can also copy paste. These navigation keys are used to move the OBS upward, downward, right, and left. The important thing is that if you want to add some description about any OBS, you can simply click on modify, and you can write here any detail that he will be serving on this project from this month to this month. You can simply write here, then click OK. It will be automatically saved. If you want to see the chart view, just simply click on this window, and click on the chart view. You can view this organization breakdown structure in this way. So you can simply do zoom in, zoom out according to your requirement. You can see your organization breakdown structure in this way as well. So you can also change this chart was doing right click on the chart and then go to the chart box template. Here you can customize according to the requirement. Here you can add button. If you want to add description of OBS, you can add here. If you want to increase the height of this deviation, then you can do accordingly. Here you can see the effect which we have done here. So as per requirement, you can do the add additions in this chart as well. Then one more thing is one important thing to tell is that OBS can be created up to 25 levels. Maximum character length for an OBS element is 100. There can be only one root OBS. I have shown you that there is only one root.
So we can divide our organizational breakdown structure under this heading.